How to add a credit card to Cash App. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To add a credit card to your Cash App, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is tap open your Cash App application. Make sure to log in into your account if you have not logged in yet. At the top in your right hand corner, you will see a user icon. You need to tap on it. The option may differ according to the version of the application. Under Account and Settings, you have to navigate to Linked Bank option. Over here, select the option of Link Credit Card. Tap on the option to add additional credit card to your Cash App. Following the next step, now you have to link an external account that allows you to move money in and out of your Cash App balance. To do so, you need to enter your credit or debit card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Once you enter all of this information, tap on Link Card. Once verified, you would be able to add your credit card to your Cash App. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.